Welcome to a journey around the globe, where we discover the national animals of every country. Today, we are starting from Argentina national bird Rufous hornero. Discover the iconic symbol of Argentina's wildlife, the Rufous hornero, with its distinctive red-brown plumage and impressive nest-building skills. This bird represents resilience and ingenuity. Join us on a journey through the vast landscapes of Argentina, as we celebrate the Rufous hornero's role in the country's culture and ecosystem. From the pampas to the mountains, these feathered architects create intricate mud nests that stand as testaments to their craftsmanship. Let's honor this national treasure and marvel at the beauty of Argentina's natural heritage. Follow for more interesting fun facts about wildlife.